Operations instructions spring compressor. 1. Select correct spring shoes. Shoes must be selected to the spring being fixed. Warnings are important. Always use the restraint chain. Place the spring compressor in the spring. The compressor spring is very dangerous.
Terrible.